Hi guys, this is Chinmay from Oxy Ultimate. In this video, I shall introduce the gallery component. I created some basic layout here for demo. I created an autoplay option with carousel. Another is slideshow. I added the lightbox effect. You can see that. Next is cover flow. You can hide the arrow and bottom pagination option also. Another cover flow layout for single image. Here it is. This is the 3D effect. Okay. You can, for carousel, you can set up the column width based on your devices, and it is fully responsive also. So here is my builder, and I open my gallery slider. Here I added some gallery slider. Now I am showing the settings. First is slider image. Here we shall add the images. There are two options. One is media library, another is SCF gallery field option. So if you have SCF plugin and created the gallery field with SCF plugin, so you can choose this option. Like this, I use the SCF source, and SCF source have SCF images source. There you can select the same post page or other. Here I select the other, and other I enter the post ID, and next is SCF field name. So this is my SCF field name, and images are coming from my SCF gallery. So first I am going to here. I created a gallery with media library. Here I can select the lot gallery and create the new gallery option. So image will add there. Next you can select the image size. You can also choose the image fit option like cover, contain, auto. So these are three options. Next have the slider settings. In this gallery slider I select the cover flow, slideshow animation effect. I can adjust the height or width. Okay. Next I can select the items per view will show here. For cover flow effect, it will maximum show the 3 images. So you can add 3, 2 or 1 for cover flow effect. Next you can adjust the column count for 992px. Here is this 780px and another is 480px. So you can adjust the column option based on the devices. Like if I select this gallery mode and going to images, but you can see that all devices I select the 2, less than reflectors I selected 2, and 484 I select the 1. I am changing the, it is 3. You can see that it is showing the 3 column for desktop. Okay, yeah, it is showing the 3 column for desktop. Now I am changing the width. You can see that it is showing the 1. Next adjust the width. You can show that it is showing the 2 items, and desktop version it is showing the 3 items. So this way you can make the responsive effect also. Okay. Next you can set up the slide to scroll. So per click how many items will slide you can set up here. Okay. Third is spacing. You can adjust the gap between the images from here. Next is slide settings. Here you can adjust the transition speed, autoplay option, autoplay speed, and page on interaction options. Okay, this is the slider settings sections. Next is navigation arrow. You can enable the navigation arrow, like here is showing the navigation arrow. So you can add the padding, you can set the icon size, arrow size, add the background color, hover background color, and hover color. Also add the border and hover border options. This is the navigation arrow. And next is paginations. Pagination means this pagination. So you can, there have 3 options: dot, fraction, and progress bar. For dot you can adjust the position outside and inside. Here all are showing the outside. When you select the inside it will come over the images, and when you select the outside option you will adjust the position from this section. So you will add some gap or adjust the white spaces from in these sections. Next, here have some dot width settings options. So you can create a circle or a square option from these 4 settings. Also add the rounded corner and add the color for active and inactive mode. Let's see, I set the fraction for gallery slider. You can see that. Okay, here it is changing 1 by 5. Next I am clicking on it, it will show 2 by 5. So this way fraction is working. This is the fraction mode. Okay. Next is thumbnail paginations. So thumbnail pagination will work when you will select the cover flow options. Slideshow options for this slider. Here I select the slideshow, and for this slider type only thumbnail pagination will work. This pagination will not work here. You will not get the option here when you select the slideshow mode. So you will adjust the thumbnail size and position. Like I select the below, you can use the above. Okay, it is coming above the main slider. You can select set up the ratio, also thumbnail size, small, medium, large, and thumbnails per view options you can adjust from here. I select 3, 2, 1. Let's see, I am changing it. You can see that it is showing the 4 for all devices. For 922 you see the 3. This way you can adjust the responsive effect. So this is the settings of the gallery component. There are another option is the lightbox effects. You can enable or disable the lightbox effect, and also there are animation effect for lightbox component. So this is the basic features of the gallery component.